The next topic is 9.3 equivalent rational numbers. If a by b is a rational number and p is an integer not equal to 0, a by b is equal to a into p by b into p. Here example, negative 3 by 8 as rational number with the denominator is 24. Negative 3 by 8. In 8 tables, here negative 3 is numerator and 8 is the denominator. We will get the denominator is 24. So you can, the denominator is 24. In how many times? In 8 tables, we will get 24. There are 3 times. So 8 into 3, 24. Again, using the same integer to the numerator also, because it's the form is a by p is equal to a into p by b into p. So negative 3 into positive 3 is negative 9. The second one, denominator is negative 24. Negative 3 by 8 is equal to negative 24. You will get negative 24. So you can multiply negative 3 on both numerator and denominator. Multiply negative 3 on numerator and denominator. Here negative into negative positive. So 9 by negative 24. The next topic is 9.4 negative and positive rational numbers. If a and b are both positive, the rational number is positive. Example, 6 by 7. Here numerator value is positive and denominator also positive. So it is a positive rational number. The second point, if a and b are both negatives, the rational number is positive. Example, negative 5 by negative 10. Here the numerator also negative and the denominator also negative. Negative into negative, that's a positive rational number. Third one, if a and b are of opposite signs, the rational number is negative. For example, negative 6 by 2. Here the numerator is negative 6 and denominator is positive 2, is a negative rational number. Another example, 6 by negative 2. Here numerator is positive and the denominator is negative. This is also negative rational number. The next topic is 9.5 standard form of a rational number. A rational number a by b is said to be in the standard form. It is expressed in the lowest term and b is positive. Here the example is 6 by 8 is in standard form. Solution, 6 by 8. The definition is it expressed in the lowest term. So you can simplify the numerator and denominator with common values. So you can simplify means here 6 and 8 are getting in 2 tables. So you can divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. This is 3 times. This is 4 times. This is the lowest term of the simplifications. Second example, 5 by negative 15. In the definition, b must be in positive. First you can change here 5 by negative 15. Here the denominator is negative. So you can first change the positive. Multiply negative 1 by numerator and denominator. Now the numerator is negative 5 and the denominator is negative into negative positive. So positive 15. Now you can simplify negative 5 by 15 divided 5 by 5 is equal to negative 1 by 3 is the lowest term of this number. Next topic is 9.6 cross product of equivalent rational numbers. Cross product of two equivalent rational numbers are always equal. A by B is equal to P by Q. Two rational numbers are equivalent if the product of the numerator of the first one and the denominator of the second one is equal to product of the denominator of the first one and the numerator of the second one. Example, 6 by -18 and -5 by 15. Check it is equivalent. Solution. Here the formula is A by B is equal to P by Q. That is A into Q is equal to B into P. So 6 by 18 is equal to -5 by 15. First you can multiply A into Q. So 6 into 15 is equal to B into P. That is -18 into -5. 6 into 15, that is 90, is equal to 18 into 50, also 90. 90 is equal to 90. So therefore 6 by -18 and -5 by 15 is equivalent. Topic is 9.7, representation of rational numbers on number line. The positive integers lies to the right of the 0. The negative integers lie to the left of the 0. Now draw the number line. This is the number line. The center value is 0. The 0, right side of the 0, that is a positive value. Left side of the 0, these are negative values. Example, represent 1 by 2 and -1 by 2 on number line. Solution. First draw the number line. Draw the number line. How will you find the rational numbers in the number line? First check the values. Here the positive value 1 by 2. Here the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 2. First check the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here the denominator is greater, so you can split the 0, here 1. So you can split in between 0 and 1, 2 bisects. Here the value is 2, the denominator value is 2. So you can split 0 and 1, between 0 and 1, bisect 2 divisions. So you can split into 2. Here this is 0, this is 1 by 2. Here 0 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 2. This is the value of 1 by 2. The same procedure to 0 to -1. Here also the denominator is greater, so you can split 2 bisects between 0 and -1. So this is 1, this is 2. So -1 by 2, -2 by 2. This is the number line of -1 by 2 and +1 by 2. Second example, represent 7 by 3 and -7 by 3 on the number line. Solution. 7 by 3. First check the numerator and denominator values. Here the numerator value is 7. The denominator is 3. Here numerator is greater than denominator. So you can convert this value into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, 7 divided by 3. It's 2 times 6. Remaining 1. So convert mixed fraction. Quotient 2. Remainder 1 divided by 3. Now draw the number line. Let's check the rational number in mixed fraction. So 2, 1 by 3. Here the whole number is 2. So you can starting with 2 and end with 3. In between the rational number in between 2 and 3. So the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 3. So you can bisect 3 subdivisions, 1, 2, 3. Here this is 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3, this is 3 by 3. So 2 1 by 3 is this place. So you can mark it this one. The another method for finding the rational number 7 by 2 in number line is, now you can, the denominator is 3, so you can split 0 to 1 in between 3 bisects, that is 1 2 3. This is 1 2 3. Again split in between 1 and 2, 3 bisects, 1 2 3. Again 2 and 3 bisects, 3 bisects, 1 2 3. Okay, here the 0 is 0 by 3. The next one is 1 by 3. The next one is 2 by 3. This is 3 by 3. That's 1. Next one 4 by 3. Next one 5 by 3. The next one 6 by 3. That is 2. The next one 7 by 3. 8 by 3. It's 9 by 3. Now you can mark it this place. Here the values are same. You can use this method or this method for this number line. Next, exercise 9.2, the first question, fill in the blanks. The first Roman is 3 by negative 11 is equal to 24 by what is equal to, the numerator is what and the denominator is negative 110. Write the solution. First find the first value. 3 by negative 11 is equal to, using the equivalent rational numbers. Here the numerator is 24. Using the equivalent rational number is, that is a by b is equal to a into p divided by b into p. This method. So you can multiply in 3 tables. How many times you get 24? 8 times. So you can multiply 8 on both numerator and denominator. So the second value is negative 88. Again the last one, 3 by negative 11 is equal to, the denominator is negative 110. Now the denominator value is negative 110. In 11 tables, how many times we will get 110? In 10 times. So you can multiply 10 on both numerator and denominator. The numerator value is 30. So the values of second one is 24 by negative 88 is equal to 30 by negative 110. Homework sum, first question. Negative 4 by negative 5 is equal to, what's the numerator and the denominator is 25 is equal to, the numerator is 28 and find the denominator. Second question. 5 by 13 is equal to, the numerator is 35, find the denominator, is equal to 70 by, find the denominator.